Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from South Jackson, Tennessee, or Bemis, Tennessee, ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. Let's start off with the climate summary. As of 5 p.m. here in the Bemis area, the skies were clear. The temperature was 88 degrees at that time. The dew point was 72 degrees. The humidity was at 59%. We had west winds at 13 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.81 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 68 degrees here in Bemis. Today's high got up to 89 degrees. Hey, it stayed below 80 degrees. 90 degrees. One more day. How about that? High again was 88 degrees here in Bemis. No rain fell here since midnight. That's put me at 4.18 inches for June and 43.63 inches for the year. 42.63 inches for the year. Repeating that in case I misquoted myself. Alrighty, lowest humidity today was 59%, and that was at 5 p.m. The highest would be 100%, and that occurred at 3 through 7 a.m. Lowest dew point temperature today was 68 degrees at 12 and 1 a.m., while the highest would be 75 degrees at 12 noon. Lowest barometric pressure today was 29.77 inches, and that was as of 3 a.m. The highest would be 29.87 inches, and that was as of 1 p.m. Today's highest wind gust was out of the southwest at 20 miles per hour, and that occurred between 12 a.m. to 5 p.m. sometime. Today's records, for June the 23rd, hottest high would be 101 degrees in 1952. The coolest high would be 81 degrees, and that occurred in 1990. I was a little concerned back at lunch that maybe we would break that record because the temperature at noon was only 78 degrees, but the skies cleared up, the sun came out, and the temperatures went up. So that old record still stands of 81 degrees in 1990. Again, the high today was 89 degrees. Alrighty, a warmest low would be 78 degrees in 1983, while the coldest low would be 59 degrees, and that occurred in 2007. Today's rainfall record would be, if I can talk clear enough, 1.93 inches, and that occurred in 2015, just 3 years ago today. June 23rd, 2015, 1.93 inches of rain. Alrighty, that's it for the climate summary. Let me show you the radar and a graph and a couple of small things, and that'll be it for tonight. There is some severe weather going on to our southeast and extreme north. Well, by that I mean over in southern middle Tennessee and up around Paducah, Kentucky, where there are actually some tornado warnings down there. Not here in Jackson. We're okay here in Jackson. Let me turn it around, let you see the radar, National Weather Service's radar. And as you can see, it looks like it's down east of, I believe that's Hardin County. It's over in Wayne County, southeast of Waynesboro, heading over into, I don't know the name of that county where Lawrenceburg, Tennessee is in, but that's where the tornado warning is now valid. It's moving east, though, away from Jackson and south of Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Alright, that's one of them. The other one is up here around Paducah, Kentucky. They have a tornado warning up there around the Paducah, Kentucky area, and that one's moving southeast toward West Tennessee. I doubt if it'll make it all the way to Clarksville, but it's moving in that general direction. Now that it's going to be getting daylight, dark soon, these tornado warnings probably will start dying down, not be quite so severe. Even though there is a chance again tomorrow of some thunderstorms in our general area, possibly even here in Jackson as well. There is a tornado watch for southern Tennessee, and you can see that right there. And that's for southern middle Tennessee and northern Alabama. And see what the timing is for that. Well, I just took it off the thing to see it. Let me see if I can get my arrow to... it's valid from 5:40 p.m. until 10 p.m. tonight. But again, it's east of Jackson and West Tennessee. Southern Middle Tennessee and Northern Alabama. There's a tornado watch until 10 p.m. tonight. And there's thanks to those storms there in Southern Middle Tennessee. But we should be okay here in West Tennessee for the most part. East of the Tennessee River, east of Savannah, Tennessee, toward Waynesboro, Tennessee, I believe it was. Yeah, it's headed east of Waynesboro and south of Lawrenceburg. The tornado warning valid down there. Alrighty, let's look at the current weather map, courtesy of the Weather Channel. And as you can see, we have a low pressure system up there near Paducah, Kentucky. There's a cold front to the east of it, and a stationary front southwest of that is contributing to some of these isolated thunderstorms developing, and that front stretches on down to another low in western Texas there, and you can see the numerous lows and highs out west and part of the U.S. and some more up north of us, and where they're at, and that dotted line's a trough, a very weak cold front is stretching. Florida looks like it's in pretty good shape. And there's a few scattered storms there showing up over Tennessee, but it's not as noticeable on this map as it is on the radar. Alright, let's move on to the satellite picture. And it looks like there's those cloud buildups from those storms south of us. I need to get this back down so I can play with a little bit more. Now you see most everybody is clear except for where those tornado warnings are taking place. Everybody else is clear except for where the tornado warnings have popped up. Look like some is trying to pop up over there southeast of Little Rock, Arkansas in the last few frames. That might be headed toward West Tennessee. But again, since it's getting dark, those storms may actually turn around and die down again. I think our best chance for thunderstorms here in Jackson is really not until sunrise tomorrow morning, or right near there. And speaking of that, let me go to the forecast and read it to you, and hopefully you can kind of read along with me a little bit. Fair skies for the rest of the night here in Jackson and most of West Tennessee. Over in southwest middle Tennessee is where the thunderstorms are, or even tornadoes possible over there, but not here. It's going to be fair for the rest of the evening. The sun sets tonight at 8:14, which is over an hour ago. It'll be rising tomorrow morning at 5:41 a.m. The moon rose this afternoon at 4:11 p.m. and be setting at 2:48 a.m. tomorrow morning. Speaking of Sunday, it's going to be very cloudy with a 50% chance of some showers and thunderstorms by near sunrise, increasing to an 80% chance by noon, but then turning around and ending towards tomorrow night, sunset Sunday night, then becoming fair. With a low of 71 and a high of 87 tomorrow, with south winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, the sun rises at 5:41 a.m. tomorrow and sets at 8:15 p.m. And by the way, 8:15 p.m. is the latest for the sunset from now to the end of June. Alrighty, so we're now fixing to enjoy the sunshine until 8:15 each night to the end of June. And the moon rises tomorrow evening at 5:09 p.m. and sets at 3:22 a.m. Monday morning. Speaking of Monday, very cloudy skies continue with a 40% chance of some showers and thunderstorms till Monday night, then becoming fair. Low near 72, high of 91, with southwest winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Tuesday, it clears out once more with fair skies, low near 72, high of 95, with south winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Next Wednesday, fair, low of 73, high of 94, west winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the full moon phase is complete next Wednesday, June the 27th. Alrighty, I'm going to cut it off at that. Looks like after Monday, we're going to clear of any rainfall all the way through till at least July 2nd at this time. Alright, I'll leave it at that. Once again, the severe storms are southeast of Jackson, down in southern southwestern Middle Tennessee, and up in western Kentucky near Paducah, Kentucky. And moving away from us, though. The ones in Kentucky is moving toward Clarksville, Tennessee, but now that the sun has set, they will probably start dying down as well, including those that's down in southwest Middle Tennessee also. But we do have another chance of some more formation tomorrow afternoon till sunset of additional showers and thunderstorms, and they may become severe. I believe we're under a what's the term? Very slight risk. It's not enhanced, marginal chance of severe thunderstorms in West Tennessee tomorrow. I don't even think it's in West Tennessee, to be honest with you. Let's see if I can find that again. No, I done got it clicked on here, so it's going to be hard to tell. Well, alrighty. I guess I'll let it go at that, and be cautious tomorrow just in case we do have a few isolated, scattered heavy storms here in West Tennessee, but we managed to miss them today. Even though it kind of came close an hour or so ago down in parts of Chester County, but now that they've gotten east of the Tennessee River, they blew up to the heavy storms that they are now. Alrighty, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and listening and viewing and subscribing. I appreciate those that subscribe to my weather channel, and the ones that I see subscribe to mine. I do my best to go to yours as well and subscribe to your page as well. Again, thank you and good night. God bless you. Have a happy Saturday night and look forward to a beautiful, hot, sunny summer day tomorrow. All right, good night. God bless you.